Can you say doggy? Yeah, you quit licking her. Look at all the doggies.
Is that a doggy? We got Maxie and Bluey and Daisy.
Is Daisy licking you? She's stuck. Look at her. Is that doggy stepping on you? That doggy stepping on you.
What's Daddy doing to ya? Huh? What's Daddy doing to you? Put on the blanket next to Daisy.
Where are you going? It's Max.
What are you doing? Hi. You little baby girl. You little sweet bee.
She's ready for a bottle.
You give Mama kisses? She's got the camera. She's got the camera. Yeah, my sweet baby. Oh,
Doggies all over.
Oh, she's chewing on my finger. Oh, she's teething. She wants Baba. You want Baba? Oh yeah, she wants that. Daisy's like, I'm out of here.
Max is on her.
Oh. She's getting smothered by doggies.
How is my growl? I don't know.
She's getting sleepy. She always leans back like that. She's...
Let's get her out of here.
Alright, that's enough of the doggies. Daisy. Hey, stop that.
They're down with Grandpa.
He's sleeping, babe. She's gonna be all over the place. You want me to hold her? You can hold her and put her to sleep.
Take her a couple of minutes.
She's all over the place.
We got a conference Monday at the end of the day, Tuesday at the end of the day, and Wednesday at the end of the day.
Wow.
Plus Tuesday morning I'll be gone.
That's a lot. A lot of work.
Yeah. There's no way I could do all this. You know.
Mm-mm.
You gotta save that video so we know we got it.
I know. Save
Start
it.
a new one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Start a new one just in case somebody calls. It'll mess it up. Because I want that dog video for sure.
Alright, well, say bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Gemma. Sweet baby.